Welcome, fellow space cadets, to the grandest show in the cosmos, the Big Bang. It's the ultimate origin story, the beginning of everything we know. Imagine the universe as a giant cosmic birthday cake, but not just any cake, the most magnificent multi-layered cake you can think of. Now picture it before anyone lit the candles, before the frosting, before the cake itself. That's where we're headed. We're diving into the recipe of existence. We're going back in time about 13.8 billion years to a time when our universe was smaller than a pinhead. Can you imagine that? All the stars, planets, and galaxies compressed into a tiny dot. Don't try to wrap your head around it. Even the smartest physicists get a cosmic headache thinking about it too much. It's like trying to understand the plot of a really complicated movie. So, buckle up, space cadets, as we embark on a hilarious journey through the Big Bang. We'll laugh, we'll learn, and we'll marvel at the wonders of the universe. We'll explore how the universe went from a tiny, super dense speck to the vast, ever-expanding cosmos we know and love today. It's a story of epic proportions filled with explosive moments and cosmic drama. And the best part? No need for a physics degree. You don't have to be a genius to appreciate the beauty and mystery of the universe. Just bring your sense of wonder and your funny bone. It's going to be a cosmic blast. Get ready to have your mind blown and your curiosity ignited. Picture this, the entire universe crammed into a space smaller than an atom. We're not talking about your messy bedroom closet here, folks. We're talking unbelievably, mind-bogglingly small. This itsy-bitsy point of everything is what scientists call the singularity. Now, imagine this tiny tot was packed with more energy than a hyperactive hamster on a caffeine bender. What happens next? Boom! The Big Bang. But forget about fireworks and loud noises. This explosion was the granddaddy of them all, the ultimate cosmic party starter.
Hold my cosmic coffee, I'm about to create a universe.
After the Big Bang, the universe wasn't just sitting around admiring its handiwork. It was like a cosmic artist, immediately getting to work on its next masterpiece. Nope, it started expanding faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Imagine the fastest thing you can think of, and then double it. Imagine a balloon animal at a clown convention. That's the kind of rapid expansion we're talking about. It was inflating at an incredible rate, almost as if it had a mind of its own. But here's the kicker. The universe wasn't expanding into anything. There was no pre-existing space for it to move into. It was more like the fabric of space itself was stretching, like a cosmic yoga instructor showing off their best downward dog. Picture the universe doing a full-body stretch, reaching out in all directions. As the universe expanded, it also cooled down, kind of like that leftover pizza you forgot about. Except, on a much grander scale. The cooling process was essential for the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets.
So the universe is basically the ultimate multitasker, expanding and cooling at the same time. Talk about efficiency. It's like it had a cosmic to-do list and was checking off items one by one.
Section 4, From Soup to Substance, the universe gets its act together. As the universe cooled, things started to get interesting.
Imagine a giant cosmic soup. But instead of noodles and vegetables, it's filled with tiny particles. Quarks, leptons, bosons. The kind of stuff that makes your head spin faster than a Black Friday sale.
These particles were like tiny little Legos bumping into each other and forming bigger, more complex structures.
First came protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atoms.
Then, as the universe cooled even further, these protons and neutrons started to stick together like cosmic glue to form the very first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. Section 5, Stars, Galaxies, and Cosmic Coffee Rings. This is where the magic of the universe truly begins to unfold. Now, with all these atoms floating around, the universe was ready for its next big axe-star formation. Imagine a vast cosmic stage set for an extraordinary performance.
Gravity, the ultimate cosmic matchmaker, started pulling these atoms together into giant clouds of gas and dust. These clouds were the cradles of future stars.
Think of it like cosmic dust bunnies, but 1,000,000 times bigger and 1,000,000,000 times hotter. These massive clouds began to heat up as they collapsed.
As these clouds collapsed under their own weight, they heated up, eventually igniting to form the very first stars. These stars were the pioneers of the cosmos.
These stars in turn clumped together to form galaxies like cosmic coffee rings staining the fabric of space-time. Each galaxy a bustling city of stars.
And within these galaxies, new stars were born, each one a fiery furnace churning out the elements that would eventually make up, well, everything. From planets to life itself, it all started here.
Section 6, the Big Bang, your one-way ticket to existence, and this essay. So there you have it, folks.
From a tiny, super-dense speck, the universe exploded, expanded, cooled, and eventually gave rise to stars, galaxies, planets, and ultimately, you and me.
And to think it all started with a bang.
Or should I say, a Big Bang.
So the next time you're feeling small and insignificant, just remember, you're a product of the most awesome, mind-blowing event in the history of, well, everything.
And that's something worth celebrating, don't you think?
Now go forth and spread the cosmic joy.